Hi guys, it's my birthday. No cake, no worries. We will bake our own cake dito lang sa kwarto. Ayan, no, libre braso pa yan. Ayan, put 3 eggs na lang, tapos half of water, and then edible oil. Dito na ako nag-bake sa room guys kasi walang saksakan doon sa kusina. Kaya dito, so just mix the batter until it will become smooth. Okay, ikot-ikot lang. So okay na. So ilagay na niya dyan sa lagayan. Actually, I'm baking my cake sa rice cooker lang, but this rice cooker has the special feature. Pwede ka dito mag-congee, pwede ka dito mag-stem, and you can also bake cake here. Ayan. So, hindi na ako bumili ng cake guys kasi kami lang na naman dito ni Gerald. Tapos, 3 lang kami sa bahay. Minsan, dalhin ko sa office. Kasi yun na nga, kami lang dito, hindi namin makain. Ayan. So, after that one, itaktak siya para lalabas yung mga bubbles. Diba? Okay. Then, you put that one in the rice cooker and set into cake. Kasi meron niyang menu. No, iba-iba yung options dyan, but it is already preheated. Ayan, just put in the rice cooker and then choose into cake and then bake it. Leave it and then it will whistle and it's already done. Thank you for watching. Ayan, ready na. It's open and then it's already done. Thank you for watching guys. I have birthday cake.